Join me as I dive deep into the world of MLGO stocks and challenge myself to uncover expert insights that could change everything. If you're an investor or just someone interested in the stock market, you've probably heard of MLGO stock. It's been making waves lately, and for good reason. MLGO is a company that's been gaining attention for its innovative approach to tech, and many experts are keeping a close eye on its performance. As someone who's always on the lookout for smart investment opportunities, I'm excited to share my take on MLGO stock and why I think you should care. MLGO stock has been facing some tough challenges in the current market. One of the biggest hurdles is market volatility. It's been swinging wildly, making it tough for investors to predict its next move. On top of that, there have been some concerns about the company's performance, with some critics questioning its ability to scale and compete with bigger players. These challenges have definitely had an impact on the stock's value, and it's something that investors need to keep an eye on. Understanding these challenges is crucial for making informed decisions about MLGO stock. The market volatility isn't just a matter of numbers, it's a reflection of the uncertainty that many investors are feeling. When the market is this unstable, it's hard to know what's going to happen next. This uncertainty can be especially tough for companies like MLGO that are still growing and finding their footing. If you're thinking about investing in MLGO stock, it's essential to consider how these market conditions might affect its performance. Company performance issues also play a significant role in the stock's value. The company's recent financial reports have shown some promising signs, but there are still concerns about its long-term viability. I've been digging into the numbers, and it's clear that MLGO has some work to do to prove itself. Despite these challenges, I believe that MLGO stock has some potential for growth. Its innovative approach to tech has set it apart from competitors, and if the company can execute on its vision, it could see significant gains. But, as with any investment, there are no guarantees. Let's talk about some recent trends and expert opinions that might give us a better sense of where MLGO stock is headed. Some analysts have been bullish on the stock, citing its strong potential for growth and its competitive advantage in the tech space. Others have been more cautious, pointing out that the company still has a lot to prove. I've been following some of the recent news and trends, and it's clear that MLGO is a company to watch. One interesting trend I've noticed is the increasing interest in MLGO stock among institutional investors. They seem to be taking a closer look at the company's potential, and that could be a sign of things to come. Of course, as with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and not just follow the crowd. I've also been looking at some of the expert analyses, and there are a few key takeaways that I think are worth sharing. One of the most interesting insights I've come across is the potential for MLGO to disrupt the tech industry. Some experts are predicting that MLGO could be a major player in the tech space, and that's definitely something to keep an eye on. What really caught my attention, though, was a prediction from a well-respected analyst who thinks MLGO stock could see significant gains in the coming months. According to this expert, MLGO's innovative approach to tech could pay off in a big way, leading to a surge in the stock's value. I'm not making any predictions here, but it's definitely an interesting perspective. The analyst's prediction is based on a deep dive into MLGO's financials and market trends. They've been tracking the company's progress, and they believe that it's well positioned for growth. Of course, there are no guarantees in the stock market, but this kind of insight is definitely worth considering. If you're thinking about investing in MLGO stock, it's essential to stay informed and keep up with the latest developments. To wrap things up, I wanted to summarize the key insights we've covered today. We've talked about the challenges facing MLGO stock, recent trends and expert opinions, and a prediction from a well-respected analyst. I believe that staying informed about MLGO stock is crucial for anyone interested in the tech industry or looking for smart investment opportunities. By keeping an eye on this company, you can stay ahead of the curve and make more informed decisions. If you've got thoughts on MLGO stock, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Also, be sure to check out our related video on the top tech stocks to watch right now. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.